guys, I am so excited because today I have my very first Natalie Attired box. And I don't know what has taken me so long to sign up for this service because I am someone that I like to try a bunch of the different styling services, but I veer towards the more affordable ones. So I haven't tried Trunk Club yet, or some of the other ones that might be a little bit more expensive. So Natalie Attired, I was really on board with when they came up with a new discount process where they do give 20% off if you buy 3 or 4 items and 25% off if you buy 5 items. Similar to Fashion's discount service, but not quite as good, but I love Fashion's discount process that they have, and I think that's a huge selling point for it. So I thought, why not finally try the Natalie Attired, and I'm so excited about it. So if you are new here, my name is Jen. I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos. If that sounds good to you, I would really, really appreciate it if you subscribe below and you gave this video a thumbs up so that other people would find this video. For returning viewers, thank you guys for your continued support, your comments, all that. Really, really appreciate it. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into this because I have no clue what's in here and I'm so excited. I love trying new services. I think I just asked for like jackets and cardigans and stuff like that. I think I've been asking for that in all my boxes just because 'tis the season to layer and I want some great layering pieces. Other things about the service, if you're not familiar, they're very similar to Stitch Fix. They send you 5 items. I already gave you the discount process. There's an upfront styling fee of $20 that does get applied to anything you purchase. I don't actually remember how many days they give you to figure out what you're going to keep, so hopefully I will find that in some paperwork here. So let's go ahead and pull this out. Okay, there is the bundle. Let's break this open. There's a note here. Hi, Jennifer. I hope you love the collection I chose for you. I went with several different layer pieces and pants to go with it. Love, Renee. Thank you, Renee. Okay, so this one is 3 days, so I actually really need to be getting on this. And if you guys are interested in trying the service, I do have a referral link below. So all right, let's get into this and see what we, price sheet, not looking at that yet. All right, so first 2 pieces are kind of shown here together. So we have a navy cardigan and a kind of a burgundy and white checkered shirt. So the burgundy and white is always and forever, and cielo is the cardigan. I love my other cielo cardigans that I have gotten from Bad Habit Boutique, so I know I will love this. Okay, so let's pull these separately. Okay, there's the cardigan. It's one of the long boyfriend cardigans. It's got pockets on it, and like I said, I have a red one in this length and it gets worn a lot, so happy about that. The shirt, it is just a button-up, very kind of light see-through-ish, as many of these are. 1 pocket, so that is cute. And then we have a crew neck tan sweater. This is by Skies Are Blue. Has kind of a little bit of a puff sleeve, which I do not mind a little bit of a puff sleeve. And you can see the wider sleeve that comes down to this cuff, so that might be an interesting detail. I love wearing neutrals, so really, really happy with this sweater. Ooh, a jacket. All right, Liverpool jacket. I just got my very first Liverpool item, which was a jacket in my Stitch Fix. Liverpool is expensive, so that's the downside, but you know, if you love something enough, sometimes you're willing to keep it. Okay, so this one is like a black and gray plaid, as you can see there. Moto jacket, very cute. So really like that. Now I noticed it's a small and not an extra small. And so it might end up being too big for me, but we will give it a try. And then last but not least, we have from Velvet Heart Denim a pair of maroon scissor cut hem jeans. Let's see if there's any other distressing or anything. They look to be a clean pant other than the scissor cut hem. So really like these. I call everything maroon, not quite sure what it's supposed to be called. This is a mid-rise, this is the Sadie mid-rise super skinny. So, okay, I like them. I like them a lot, and we'll see what the length is like. But if they are too long, the beauty of the scissor hem is I could just cut more off. So, let's get all this stuff on. All right, well, first off, I have 3 of the pieces on. So we'll start with the jacket, and I will say what everybody is thinking. It is way too big. Now, I did see it was a small instead of an extra small, so I was expecting it to be big, but it's just gigantic. So I don't think I'm going to try to size down in it. I think the plaid is nice, but I'm not like super excited about the jacket in general. I just got a Liverpool jacket in one of my recent Stitch Fixes, so I just don't think I'm going to bother sizing, and I don't have a lot of confidence that an extra small is going to be as form-fitting as I would be looking for. You know, like these sleeves are like several inches too long, like this too long, so I don't think from a small to an extra small is going to make up that difference. So I just don't think this one is a good fit for me. So let's go ahead and take that off. Next up, we have kind of the balloon sleeve sweater. I like neutrals. I really love neutrals, especially this color. So really happy with that. Happy with the torso. I'm just not a balloon sleeve person. Like, I feel like I'd be okay with it, and I could walk around it and probably be comfortable, but I also feel like I'm just never going to reach for it because I'm just not in love with it. So that's a little disappointing. Now, the pants I really like. They are a really good fit great up here, nice. I think it said medium rise on it, but it feels closer to a high rise, which is nice. Nice snugness in the waistband, and I felt like a decent amount of room in the rump area, so really happy with that. They are a little bit long, but like I said, they are scissor hems, so I could just choppity chop that. So these are a candidate to keep. These other 2 pieces, not so much, but let's get the last 2 pieces on. Okay, now I've got on the buffalo plaid shirt and the blue cardigan. I don't think I would wear these with these pants, but I just didn't feel like changing. So anyways, the cardigan fits great, absolutely great, which I expected. Like I said, I've gotten numerous cardigans of this brand from Bad Habit Boutique. Now, this exact one is usually about $28 on their website, so we'll just might see how much this costs. But I love it. I love having a nice long cardigan. Really love having a nice long cardigan. So far, I think I only have a red one in this length, so I'm kind of open to get a few more. So really like that. The shirt, again, I'll take this off so you guys can see full look of the shirt. The shirt is quite big. Now, sleeves can be rolled up. I don't know if they have, doesn't seem like there's tabs on this one. So, but, you know, sleeves can be rolled up, but there's a general, like, looseness of the sleeves, just overall bigness of this that I'm just not super keen on. I love the color of it, really love. So I don't know if this is a small and this is potentially something I could size down in. So I will have to check that out. But I do like the shirt a lot. This is my kind of simple, you know, kind of two-tone pattern. I like it a lot. So let's go ahead and go over prices and decide what to keep. First of all, we have the long sleeve gingham top, and this is $39. Now, I did send Natalie Attired a note. Oh, this is by Always and Forever. So I did send Natalie Attired a note asking if I could size down, and they said they did not have an extra small in this. So one of the things I will note that on their website, I had seen this before, but I'd kind of forgotten about it. They said they carry sizes 2 through 20 something, I think. And so that means they don't have 0, and I'm a 0/extra small. And so, I kind of took a risk. I'm not doing this as a subscription. I did this as just a one box. And so I was kind of taking a risk knowing that they don't carry a size 0. But so I don't want to really dog on the service if they don't have pieces that don't fit me, because that's my own fault for ordering from a service that literally says, hey Jen, we do not have your size. So, but I really, really wanted to try it due to the discount system. So I'm still glad I tried it. Anyways, let's move on. So that's gingham. I think I called that buffalo plaid before, but that's actually gingham. Now we have the Lady Mid-Rise Super Skinny by Velvet Heart, and this is $69. I like it. I have a couple other pair of pants in this color. I could, the length was not an issue because it's just a scissor cut hem, so I could cut this and make it perfect. I'm debating on this one. Being $69 and it's not like I desperately need it, there's a good chance I'm not going to keep these. But I just remember how good of a fit they were. I don't know. That's a maybe. Then we have the extra long front pocket cardigan by Cielo, and this is $39. These cardigans are, I'd say these cardigans are my favorite. They are such a great fit. I love them. They've held up well over time. So this is a definite, even though I could get it cheaper at Bad Habit Boutique, and I didn't even say the price. $39, so it is an extra $10 through Natalie Attired. But if this ends up being the only piece I keep, then I've already got the $20 styling fee to put towards it. So this is probably going to be keeper. Then we have the crew neck sweater by Skies Are Blue. I like it. I like a nice neutral color like this for fall and winter time. The sleeves, I think the balloon sleeves, will keep me from pulling for it. So, again, price. Come on, Jen. $49. So not a terrible price for a sweater, but I don't really want to pay $50 for a sweater I'm not super excited about. So I don't think that's going to stay. And then we have the Liverpool Moto jacket, and this is $98. It was huge on me. I don't have a lot of confidence that sizing down would make it fit perfectly, and I didn't love it enough to even kind of pursue that. So I will not be keeping that. So that's my summary. So I think I'm keeping the navy cardigan and maybe the burgundy pants, but probably not. My entire box is $294. If I keep everything and this $20 styling fee is deducted from that, then my total would be $191.80. So like I said, I liked the service. There's nothing, and they sent me good, simple patterns that were me, and so I was really happy with that. They didn't send me anything that was really outside of my style or outside of my comfort zone, so I was very happy about that. I think the only thing is, even though one of the sweaters they did said that the Skies Are Blue is an extra small, I think probably their selection of clothing in my size is probably few and far between, so I might wait to order another box until they their sizing gets updated and that they have more available in my size. So I enjoyed it though, and I'm glad I tried it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.